China is rapidly changing how things are made. It is embracing automation like never before. Robots, artificial intelligence, and smart systems are changing the face of Chinese factories. This shift is making China a global leader in manufacturing. The world is watching as China's automation revolution unfolds. This revolution is driven by innovation. China is investing heavily in robotics and AI. The goal is to increase efficiency and productivity. This transformation is impacting various industries. These industries include electronics, automotive, and logistics. China's automation journey is a story of ambition, technology, and a quest to reshape the future of production. Robots are a common sight in Chinese factories today. They are changing how products are made. These are not the robots of science fiction. These robots are designed for specific tasks. They work tirelessly and with precision. They are transforming manufacturing. These robots are used for various tasks. They can assemble products, package goods, and inspect quality. They can even work in dangerous environments. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex tasks. The use of robots is making Chinese factories more efficient. It's also improving the quality of the products they produce. Robots are the hands of China's automation revolution. AI is the brain. AI is powering a new generation of intelligent systems. These systems are revolutionizing factory floors. AI algorithms are being integrated into every stage of the manufacturing process. AI is used to optimize production lines. It can predict and prevent equipment failures. It can also analyze data to improve efficiency. This leads to faster production times and reduced costs. AI is not just about efficiency. It's also about quality control. AI-powered systems can detect even the smallest defects. This ensures that only the highest quality products leave the factory. China's commitment to automation is clear. It's now the world's largest consumer of industrial robots. The government is actively supporting this growth. It has set ambitious targets for automation adoption. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology plays a key role. It sets policies and provides incentives to encourage automation. This focus on automation is part of China's Made in China 2025 initiative. The goal is to transform China from a manufacturing giant into a global manufacturing power. Automation is seen as key to achieving this goal. China is not just aiming for scale, it's aiming for technological leadership in the era of smart manufacturing. Section 5 Sector Spotlight, where automation shines. China's automation drive is impacting various sectors. One sector where it's particularly prominent is electronics. China is the world's largest producer of electronics. Automation is helping Chinese electronics companies stay competitive. In the automotive industry, robots are used extensively. They help assemble cars with precision and speed. Warehousing and logistics are also being transformed. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, are being used to move goods in warehouses. This reduces manual labor and improves efficiency. Section 6. Leading the charge: automation giants in China. Several Chinese companies are leading the automation charge. One such company is Seasun Robot and Automation Company Limited. It's one of the largest robot manufacturers in China. Seasun produces a wide range of robots for various industries. Another notable player is Hikvision. It's a world leader in video surveillance products and solutions. Hikvision is also venturing into robotics and automation. These companies are developing cutting-edge automation technologies. They are helping to shape the future of manufacturing in China. Section 7. The human impact. Jobs in the age of automation. The rise of automation is raising concerns about jobs. Some fear that robots will replace human workers. While it's true that automation will eliminate some jobs, it will also create new ones. These new jobs will require different skills. The Chinese government is aware of the need to retrain workers. It's investing in education and training programs. These programs will help workers adapt to the new realities of the workplace. The focus is on equipping workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Section 8. Global implications. China's automation ripple effect. China's automation revolution is having a global impact. As China embraces automation, it's driving down the cost of these technologies. This is making automation more accessible to businesses worldwide. This is leading to increased adoption of automation globally. China's automation drive is also pushing innovation. Chinese companies are developing new automation technologies and solutions. These innovations are being adopted by businesses in other countries. China's automation journey is shaping the future of manufacturing for the entire world. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of automation, made in China. China's automation revolution is reshaping the global manufacturing landscape. With its focus on robotics, AI, and smart systems, China is positioning itself as a leader in the era of intelligent manufacturing. This transformation is bringing about increased efficiency, higher quality products, and a shift in the job market. The world is watching as China's automation journey unfolds. Its impact is likely to be felt for decades to come. The future of automation is being written right now, and it's being written in China.